Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a tutorial on how to properly install and use Skydroid antennas. Many users find that the signal range and stability of their video transmission equipment do not meet expectations. In addition to the performance of the equipment itself, the way the antennas are installed is also very important. Today we'll use the Skydroid YL20 as an example to demonstrate how to properly install the antennas on the ground side and the onboard side. 1. Using it as a ground side device. First, when the YL20 is used as a ground side device, directly screw the antennas onto the SMA ports of the video transmission box. After installation, pay attention to the orientation of the antennas. The antennas should not be laid flat or placed sideways during use. The correct installation method is to keep the antennas pointing vertically upward. In addition, make sure that the antennas are not obstructed during use. For example, if we use the YL20 as a ground side device indoors while the drone needs to fly outdoors for a long-range flight test, we should make sure that there are no walls, metal objects, or other equipment blocking the area around the antennas as much as possible. This will help achieve better signal transmission performance. 2. Using it as an onboard device. When the YL20 is installed on a drone as an onboard device, there are several things to keep in mind. First, the two antennas should not cross each other. Second, do not install the antennas inside the center plate, and do not place them close to large metal components. At the same time, do not attach the antennas directly to the battery. There may be electromagnetic interference around the battery, power cables, and other electronic devices, so the antennas should be kept as far away from these sources of interference as possible. So how should they be installed? One suitable method is to secure the antennas underneath the arms of the drone while maintaining an appropriate distance between them. Alternatively, the antennas can be installed on the top plate of the drone with the antennas pointing upward. Regardless of which installation method you choose, try to make sure there are no obstructions around the antennas and keep them at a certain distance from the battery, metal structures, and other devices that may cause interference. 3. Summary. So there are several key points to remember when installing the antennas. Ground side. Keep the antennas pointing upward. Do not lay them flat and do not block them. Onboard side. Do not cross the antennas, do not install them inside the center plate. Do not place them close to metal and do not attach them to the battery. Proper antenna installation can help the equipment achieve more stable communication performance. That's all for today's Skydroid YL20 antenna installation and usage tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Skydroid product installation tutorials, operating methods, and real-world testing, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.